Bringing in a professional spokesperson was probably one of the best ideas that we had. In the past, we've used our SMEs. They have, a whole head full of knowledge, but sometimes presenting on a large stage isn't really their forte.
As you're coming into ProMat, this was the first thing you saw. This is the first thing you felt, the first thing you heard. This is effectively your first impression of the entire show, that having somebody on stage presenting content was going to be very immersive, very engaging, but also kind of position Honeywell Intelligrated as a thought leader in their space.
When we were working with our agency to come up with the various presentations and to script them, we took great care in making sure that we brought her along in that process.
The content that she was providing was all scripted, but she came across as the most knowledgeable person in the room, to the point that even Honeywell Intelligrated executives were saying, she seems like the most intelligent person here. She knows her stuff. And that was effectively a reflection of the preparation that we put into it, that we were able to write the content to effectively the same level as somebody that might be inside the company.
We found the tactic to be very successful. We have a way in our lead capture software to be able to identify those attendees that came solely to see the presentation, and those numbers were higher than we expected.
We really wanted to get people moving through the exhibit. We wanted to give it kind of a natural sense of flow and motion, so that people would hear the main presentation, but also start to learn about all the different facets and all the different divisions and technologies that Honeywell Intelligrated has to offer.
We also, after the show, took the PowerPoint presentations and had her do voiceover so that we could use those to further social campaigns or email campaigns to help us with some awareness and lead nurturing after the show.
So for us, it's exciting to hear that kind of feedback, to recognize that the hard work that we put into it, that the thoughtful, intentional work that we put into it really helped our customers accomplish their end goals.